sorted. Fast as you can. Watch the pile.
System ready, shredder clear, proceed. Pressure spike. Reverse gears. Double pass required. Magnet speed is optimal. Continuous feed authorized.
Metal separation complete. Zero rubber loss.
Air pressure stable. Initiating suction.
Flow rate is at peak capacity. Prepare Granulator Unit 4. Granulator Unit 4 is primed and fully active, increasing rotor speed to 1500 RPM. Silo 3 is at 80% capacity. Prepare color mixing batch. Binder ratio at exact spec. Initiating main mixer. Mixer active. Color blending phase in progress.
Viscosity is perfect. Ready for molding.
Hopper positioned. Discharge at maximum flow. Delivery crew, route the color batch to press station 5 immediately. Thermal cycle is starting. Mold level is verified at perfect thickness. Lock the safety gates. Thermal cycle is stable at peak temperature. Curing reaction is proceeding on schedule. Curing successful. Structural integrity verified.
Laser alignment locked. Cutting speed calibrated at standard rate. Cutting sequence active. Pressure stable. Pathing is nominal.
Tensile strength exceeds 8.5 megapascals. Elongation is within threshold. Batch is certified.
Shock absorption index is at 92%. Perfect rating for sports flooring. Pallet 42 is fully stacked. Dispatching automated guided vehicle for transport. Wrapping cycle active. Tension levels set to high-duty export standard.
Label scanned. Inventory updated. Pallet ready for transit.
Load secured. Moving to Bay 7. Clear the area.
Take it to Bay 14, Level 3, Slot B. Location is cleared. Manifest is signed. All batches secured for Green Building Project dispatch. Safe travels.
The delivery has arrived. Let's get the blue and green batch unloaded directly onto the subfloor. The client is inspecting the layout in 2 hours.
The density is perfect. These are going to lock in incredibly tight. Let's start the subfloor prep.
Perfect cut, clean border fit. Let's dry lay the outer perimeter.
First row is locked and aligned. This sports floor is going to look outstanding. Grid line is dead center. Proceed with the main layout.
Adhesive open time is perfect. Lay the next 3 rows immediately before the skin forms.
How's the deflection rating looking?
100% contact achieved. No hollow spots detected. Border fit is completely tight. No expansion gaps needed. Grid line is dead center. Proceed with the main layout.
Line marker calibrated. Paint thickness is exactly at standard specification, tracking perfectly straight. Center logo detailing is finished. Paint adhesion looks incredibly sharp. Thermal curing temperature is optimal at 65 degrees. Paint is fully cross-linked and scratch-resistant. Durometer rating is exactly 65 Shore A. Perfect balance between high-impact shock absorption for athletes and structural floor. We're running a little hot on the south end. Adjusting the burner flow now. Laptop confirms stabilization.
Welcome to the future! Wow, this is incredible. Let's play.
That's it. Keep pushing. Excellent form on the pivot.
The ball response is completely uniform across the entire surface. This floor performs better than traditional hardwood.
This is a historic milestone for eco-friendly sports architecture. You turned waste into a masterpiece.